Okay, so now for part 2. I finally got this cable in. It's the 5-DIN connector that's going to connect this Vic-20 to this old TV. Hello. And I read many reviews online that this wasn't that good. So if it doesn't work, I'm assuming it's this. Paid for it on Amazon, and it'll work. It could be a number of things. It could be the TV, it could be the cable, or it could be the computer itself. So it uses a 5-DIN connector, and it plugs in with RCA to here. So I'm going to unpackage this, and I will get plugged in, and then we'll see if it turns on. So around the back of the computer, this will plug into here, I believe. Yeah. So let me push it in. I believe it's in. Yeah. Okay. Alright, now I just gotta turn around and plug it into the TV. Alright, it's all plugged in to here. Now, all we gotta do is plug the power cable in and turn the TV on. Wait for that to boot up. And I believe it should turn on, so... or it should show on this channel. Let me turn it on. And... holy shit, it works. Wow. Yeah, the color's way off. But... it works. Syntax error. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change the color a little bit, but it has 6,000 bytes free. It should have 5,000. But let me see. I can't believe it. I was not expecting it to work. I am actually surprised and very happy. And yes, I'm doing this one-handed, so... So, 20, go to 10, run. Oh, I am so excited. It actually works. Holy crap. Oh my god. So if I shift and go up there, delete. Okay. Wow. Oh my god. I've been sitting here for weeks hoping that it worked. And it actually does. Wow. I'm stoked. I just can't believe it. So I can't believe it. It sat non-working in a storage room for a year, and it works. Mind you, the color's not right, I guess. But Commodore Business Machines Basic version 2, 6,655 bytes free. And don't mind this, I gotta clean that off. I think that's nail polish. I picked up this TV at a resale shop for like $4, so. But yeah. Let me see what this poke command does real quick. I am shaking right now. That's how excited I am. This is my first machine. Oh, that just moves it. Okay. So, there's so much I want to do on this. Oh, So that changes the text to lowercase and uppercase. Okay. I don't know anything about these. I'm brand new to this. But if I hit red or yeah, I got a little bit to learn. So delete does that. Okay, it works. Now, I'm just gonna turn it off and turn it back on again. This is amazing. I just can't believe it. Look at that. That's great. Alright, I guess this is where the video ends off. I got my own vintage computer that works from 1982, and it doesn't even look that bad. I'm just so glad that cable worked. Alright, I'm gonna see you later. Might be more videos on this machine, or if I choose to retrobrite it, there'll be one coming in the summer months. So yeah, alright, I'm gonna go. Until next time, goodbye.